Hey guys, it's David, August University. Today I want to break down Shakepay, easy to use platform that enables you to buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum in Canada, okay? So this is a quick way, the easiest way for Canadians to buy and sell Bitcoin, all right? So simplest way is do an internet e-transfer from your bank directly in. You can download on the App Store, the Google Play Store. This is what the app looks like, okay? Within 10 minutes, you get your first Bitcoin, 750 million plus in digital currency bought and sold, 150,000 plus Canadians served. Super fast, commission free, responsive, etc. You can do the research here. When you go to fees, $0 for deposit, $0 for wire transfers, and you can deposit all this free. As you can see, it's basically no fee at all, okay? Nothing. They even cover the withdrawal fees for your crypto, all right? That's nice. Now, where they are gonna make a little bit of money here is on the margin. When you buy, now this is the actual Shakepay app, okay? So when you buy Bitcoin, for example, or you buy Ethereum, I have a little bit in here, not a lot. As you can see, Ethereum's taking a little bit of a dive, 18%. Bitcoin's taking a 15% hit. It is what it is. It's cryptocurrency. So what you guys want to do is take advantage of this opportunity to buy in at these lower prices, okay? It's a flash sale right now. Take advantage. Now, a lot of people are asking me, hey, what do the graphs look like within Shakepay when you're using it? So let's say we're looking at Ethereum today, okay? When you tap on Ethereum, you're going to see the crypto charts within the hour, right? So you can kind of see within the hour what's happening. Obviously, we're on a downward trend here where you can get some cheaper Ethereum right now. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to pick up a little bit more very soon. You can see the day view and you can see the week. Now, don't let it fool you. Let's look at the month here, okay? At the month view, we're at 714. So we're still significantly up. So don't let it fool you, okay? Look at this year chart here. Let's look at this year chart here since January, all right? So last year. So obviously we made some significant gains. So there was bound to be some kind of pullback. Now let's look at within the hour. We're down, right? So this is a good time to buy a little bit more. People are predicting Ethereum is going to go to 30,000, okay? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I'm just giving you my opinion. Bitcoin, same kind of idea. You get the hourly rate here, the hourly chart, day, week, month, and year. So we're having a pretty good year, and we're getting new all-time highs here. As you can see. So a lot of people are asking me, how do I use the platform? How can I get a hands-on experience? So I'm just going to show you guys. Red or green doesn't matter. It's a volatile industry, okay? So if you want to buy and sell, you're going to hit instant buy here. And you can say, okay, if you had $1,000 there, you can hit Bitcoin. And you can hit, I want to spend all my Bitcoin. You can say how much you want to buy, right? I want to buy $1,000 worth. And then that's it. That's going to tell you how much Bitcoin you can get. Now, what I would utilize is actually the limit order section now. That's been recently updated. Tap limit order. So you can create a limit buy or sell and say, hey, I want to buy at, 1,300. Or sorry, not 13,000, 1,300. Or I predict it's going to go down to 1150. Hit next, right? Then you can get in at that lower dip price when it does decide to dip, if it does dip. Same with selling. So you can predict that it's gonna go up to, I'm comfortable selling at 1,600. Then you can hit next. Okay, that way you have a little bit more control on what you're buying and selling at, and that's pretty much what you're gonna get out of this app here. So yeah, if you guys were looking to utilize Shakepay, I'm going to have a link in the description below. Now you're going to get a $30 bonus if you deposit at least $100. And there's something else that's really amazing, and I do this every day with Shakepay, is you can take your phone and literally shake it. You're going to see me do this now. It sounds funny, but I guess I didn't sound as bad, but I didn't shake her enough. Hold on. There we go. Had to give it give it a real go. So you're shaking your sat basically. So I earned 620 satoshis for shaking my phone. I'm on a 4-day streak. I missed one day. I was on a 9-day streak. I missed one day. So I'm back. Got some free satoshis there. And that's how you get some free Bitcoin right now. Just shake the phone every day, literally, and you get a little bit of Bitcoin. Adds up to be a few dollars in time, but that could 10x, in a few years. So just keep that in mind as well. So this is David, Win August University. Just wanted to do a quick overview for you guys of what Shakepay looks like on the inside. And if you guys are interested in signing up, if you're buying Bitcoin and Ethereum in Canada, this is the platform to use for quick and efficient use. Test trial all the other exchanges I mentioned as well on my channel. Please like this video, subscribe, and click on the link below so you can get your $30 bonus on a $100 deposit, all right? Take advantage of the red charts, guys. It's time to make some significant gains, but you don't want to buy when it's green. You want to buy when it's red, okay? When the streets are bloody, it's time to get in, all right? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is David Wynn, August University, and I'll see you guys in the next one.